good morning students. Today I am going to start English literature. It is first unit and first section of this unit, and section A. Lesson name is Oliver Asks for More, and this lesson written by Charles Dickens. So first of all, I am going to read some paragraphs for you and then after explain it. This is an extract from the novel Oliver Twist about an orphan boy named Oliver who is brought to a children's home. The dismal state of affairs of the home and the treatment that met out to children is described here. Mr. Bumble walked on with long strides. Little Oliver, firmly grasping his gold-laced cuff, trotted beside him. Oliver had not been within the walls of workhouse a quarter of an hour when Mr. Bumble informed him that the board had said he was to appear before it forthwith. Not having a very clearly defined notion of what a leaf board was, Oliver was rather astonished by this information and was not quite certain whether he ought to laugh or cry. He had no time to think about the matter. Mr. Bumble asked Oliver to follow him into a large whitewashed room where 8 or 10 fat gentlemen were sitting round a table. At the top of the table, seated in an armchair rather higher than the rest, was a particularly fat gentleman with a very round red face, bowed to the broad and said Bumble. Oliver brushed away 2 or 3 tears that were lingering in his eyes, and seeing no board but the table board to that. "What is your name, boy?" said the gentleman in the high chair. Oliver was frightened at the sight of on many gentlemen, which made him tremble. The widow gave him a tap on his back with his cane, which made him cry. "Boy," said the gentleman in the high chair, "listen to me. You know you are an orphan, I suppose." "What is that, sir?" inquired poor Oliver. Now, students, I am going to explain this short paragraphs, and first of all I am going to explain in English. So this lesson Oliver Asks for More is a abstract from a famous novel Oliver Twist, which is written by Charles Dickens. In this lesson, orphan boy is Oliver's talk about who brought to a children's home the dismal state of affairs of the home because Oliver's house state or condition is not fine and the treatment and he met in limited children's and these characteristics of Oliver Twist described here. Mr. Bombi walked on with long strides. Bombi, a man who is continued, walked a long growth. They walked in forward. Little Oliver is freely grazing are so greedy because he is gold-laced calf. He has gold-laced calf and trotted beside him. Oliver had not within the wall because workhouse quarter of our. When Bombi go on that place, there he informed that as soon as possible. He said, no, having a very clearly defined nation because they live broad was. Oliver was astonished, means surprised by this information. He quite certain laugh or cry not freely. He cry or laugh there and he has no time to think about this matter, what happened with you with him and what is going on with him. Mr. Bombi asked Oliver, and firstly with Oliver, Bombi go in a whitewashed room and in that room 10 fat gentlemen are sitting around the round table and top of the table there was an armchair where a man in higher place sitting and he is a particularly fat gentleman was sitting there and his face was red and white and he brought firstly there and then after Bombi said, first you brush your tears which is coming from the eyes on the cheek and seeing too broad but the table bowed to that person asked the boy, what is your name, boy? That gentleman on high chair asked to Oliver. Oliver was frightened. Oliver now so afraid at that sight because the gentleman is asked and he reached at a unknown place, so he was tremble in front of the gentleman. The widow means the servant dropped back his stick and made him cry because he has a stick also. And boy said, gentleman on the high chair, you know you are an orphan. That person asked to Oliver, do you know, are you orphan? Means your father is dead, your parents is not alive in this world. I suppose that gentleman asked him, I suppose, what is, sir? The Oliver said to the gentleman, inquiring. Poor Oliver. That poor Oliver is asking to the gentleman, what are you asking to me? I am orphan, means my parents are not live in this world. Students, now I am going to explain in Hindi. स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम आपको हिंदी में इसको एक्सप्लेन करते हैं। यह लेसन आपका चार्ल्स डिकेंस के फेमस नॉवेल ओलिवर ट्विस्ट से लिया गया है, जिसमें ओलिवर को जो है मिस्टर बॉम्वेल के द्वारा लाया जाता है, क्योंकि उसके घर की स्थिति बहुत अच्छी नहीं होती है और उसका जो उपचार है उसको किस तरह से एक बच्चे के साथ उन लोगों का बिहेवियर है उसके बारे में बताया गया है। और मिस्टर बॉम्बी उसको जो है क्या करते हैं, वो लेकर जाते हैं, वो धीरे धीरे आगे की तरफ बढ़ते हैं और वह मीन्स ओलिवर उनको बॉम्बी को बहुत ही मजबूती से पकड़ा हुआ होता है, क्योंकि उसका जो स्कार्फ है वो गोल्डन कलर का है, वो लोभी स्वभाव का व्यक्ति है। और ओलिवर जब वहाँ पर 1.25 घंटे के बाद एक दीवार के बीच में पहुँचता है तो वहाँ पे बॉम्बी ने उसको यह इन्फॉर्म करता है, उसको बताता है और उसके बाद जल्दी से वह बॉम्बी कहता है ओलिवर से कि तुम इस समय अगर जीवित होते हो तो ओलिवर रेदर एस्टोनिश्ड, तो इसमें बड़े आश्चर्य की बात है और इसकी मैं सूचना मैं तुम्हें पहले ही दे देता हूँ। And was not quite certain whether ought to laugh or cry. अब तुम यहाँ पर बिल्कुल न तो हंस सकते हो और न रो सकते हो, बिल्कुल साइलेंट यहीं पर पड़े रहो। He had no time to think about the matter. अब ओलिवर वहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं समझ पाता है, उसके साथ रास्ते में पूरे रास्ते आता है कि आखिर बात क्या है। तो बॉम्बी जो है ओलिवर बॉम्बी को पीछे पीछे एक सफ़ेद जो है पुते हुए रूम में जाता है, जहाँ पर 10 मोटे जो है सज्जन लोग टेबल के चारों तरफ घेर कर बैठे हुए हैं और सबसे ऊपर टेबल पर एक जो है आर्म चेयर लगी हुई है, जिस पर एक व्यक्ति बैठा है, एक जो है मोटा सज्जन व्यक्ति बैठा है जिसका चेहरा लाल है। वह उसके सामने झुकता है, बॉम्बी झुकता है उस व्यक्ति के सामने जिसका फेस रेड कलर में है, उस मोटे सज्जन व्यक्ति के सामने झुकता है और अपने आंसू को जो कि उसके गाल पर जो है आए हुए थे उसको ओलिवर साफ करता है और उसको देखते हुए वह कहता है, वह लड़के से प्रश्न पूछता है, व्हाट इज़ योर नेम बॉय? ऐ लड़के तुम्हारा क्या नाम है? और वह सज्जन व्यक्ति वहाँ चेयर से यह प्रश्न पूछता है ओलिवर से कि लड़के तुम्हारा क्या नाम है। और जब यह प्रश्न जेंटलमैन ओलिवर से पूछता है तो ओलिवर बहुत ज़्यादा डर जाता है, एक ही बार में वह देखकर उस व्यक्ति को, मोटे व्यक्ति को डर जाता है और वह डर के वजह से कांपने लगता है और उसका नौकर उसको तुरंत जो है बैग से उसको ले जाता है, उसके हाथ में जो है स्टिक भी होती है एंड विच मेड हिम क्राई, और उसे देखकर वो बहुत ज़्यादा डर जाता है। और उस ऊपर चेयर पर बैठा हुआ सज्जन व्यक्ति लड़के से पूछता है, तुम मेरी बात सुनो, तुम जानते हो कि तुम एक अनाथ हो, मुझे लगता है कि तुम्हें ये चीज़ पता होगा। तो ओलिवर आश्चर्य से जो है पूछताछ करता है कि व्हाट इज़ दैट सर, मतलब अनाथ का मतलब क्या होता है। ये ओलिवर जो है, बेचारा ओलिवर उस व्यक्ति से पूछता है। इन दिस वे टूडेज योर दिस taught paragraphs are completed. Today's your homework is, first of all, learn and write ticked words with Hindi meaning, and then after make and learn 20 questions answer from taught paragraphs. So next paragraphs explained in next video. So for today, thank you. Have a nice day to all.